Okay, for this one, you are going to change it back to cosine theta, so you know at the end you have tangent theta to be your answer. For this one, you are going to change it step by step. So for this one, you have 1 over tangent theta, which will give you cosine theta times tangent theta. Okay, so when you change it back, you have sine theta over cosine theta. So at the end, the answer will be sine theta. So for this one, now you are going to change it first. So you have sine theta here, and this one become cosine theta. Last one become 1 over tangent theta, which tells you that you have sine theta here, cosine theta here. But for this one, actually, that will become cosine theta over sine theta. Okay, so when you do the cancellation or simplification at the end, you will have cosine square theta only. Okay, for this one as well, you are going to change it back. So once you change it, okay, you will see that they look very similar, and that is why when you combine them with the same denominator, this one becomes sine square theta plus cosine square theta. So you have 1 over cosine theta sine theta. This one using the relationship between them, so you will have cosine 28 degree minus cosine 28 degree, which is equals to 0. And this one, basically, you can change it back, okay? This one will be tangent 90 degree minus 46 degree. So you have the same value here, which is tangent 44 degree as well. So you have 0 at the end. So this one, tangent 1 degree, and actually this one you can change it to 1 over tangent 90 degree minus 89 degree. So you have 1 at the end because you have this representation. So this is equals to 1. This one is also very typical if you see it later. This is actually equals to cosine and then 90 degree minus 80 degree. And with the square here, so you have sine square theta, that's right, sine 10 degree square plus cosine 10 degree square, which will give you 1. The question said that it's acute angle, that means it is smaller than 90 degree, okay, only less than 90 degree. So that is why you will know that in Form 4, you will see something different, and you can have the theta greater than 90 degree. But now it is not. So theta equals to 57 degree. So this one, you know it, will be you change it back. Okay, look like this one. So you have tangent theta equals to tangent 36 degree. Okay, that's why you know theta equals to 36 degree. With this one, you have cosine 2 theta equals to cosine. And actually, when you change sine to cosine, you just add the 90 degree there. That's why you have 2 theta equals to 90 degree minus 80 degree. 2 theta equals to 72 degree. Theta equals to 36 degree, like this. This is a little bit different from what you have. So this time you know that you have sine 69 degree. And for this one, you just change it, okay, to cosine. And let's see whether they are the same. If they're the same, that means you have this as your answer. So you know that tangent theta actually equals to tangent 69 degree accordingly. So theta equals to 69 degree. Okay, for this one, you are going to change it. So you probably take out the common factor that you can see. So luckily, for this one, you take out sine theta, cosine theta, then what is remaining will be these two. So you know this is equals to sine theta cosine theta, which is equals to the right hand side. Therefore, you can say that because left hand side identical to the right hand side, so it is an identity. For this one, when you're going to prove it, once again do it with the left hand side because there are more items that you can simplify. So for this one, when you times it in, and naturally you will have cosine square theta like this. And then at the end, you will have this one, okay, because you can see it, I guess. So by simplifying the term, you have cosine square theta, which is equals to the right-hand side. So because left-hand side identical to the right-hand side, therefore you can say it is an identity. Okay. This time as well, you have left-hand side equals to, okay, so you can change it in the beginning, or you can consider it later. So basically, you will have this one, okay, change it to sine square theta, and do not mix up something, okay, this one, you have to factorize it, so you have minus, okay, like this. Some students, they usually make a mistake, they forget about this term. So if you forget this term, then you will just consider this one, okay, so please don't make this silly mistake. And then you have plus 1 minus like this one. And then you group these two terms together. Okay, this one and this one together, you have 1. So 1 plus 1 minus 2 cosine theta. So this equals to 2 minus 2 cosine theta. And you factorize it by taking out the 2 there. So this looks like exactly the right-hand side. Therefore, you can say that left-hand side identical to the right-hand side. So it is an identity. Okay, so you start with left-hand side, so you times it in first. So what you have will be like this, and like this. And then you will have sine 90 minus theta, minus sine theta. Okay, so I change it, okay, in this way, and then you have cosine theta minus sine theta. Okay, no matter which one, okay, you can see that you should stop at this position instead of going up, okay, because you can check it, it is exactly equals to the right hand side. Okay, that is why, because left hand side identical to the right hand side, so it is an identity.